This is Blinkshot, and it allows me to generate images in milliseconds. So you can see I type in a prompt. If I maybe want the cat to wear blue sunglasses, I'll just type in blue, and it's going to update extremely quickly in what feels like real time. Now, this particular website is 100% free and open source, but it's not unlimited. You will reach a limit. But if you guys have never tried Flux and you basically want to give this a try and generate some images, then this is going to be just a cool tool for you guys to test. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so you want to go over to this website called Blinkshot.io. You don't even need to sign in. There's a prompt box over here. And as soon as you start typing in the prompt box, I'm going to just type in a cat. It's automatically going to generate an image for me in what feels like real time. It only takes milliseconds to update. So you'll see I'll type in a cat wearing a black suit. And there we go. You can see just how quickly that updates. If I don't want a black suit, I'll type in a white suit. And you can see this is now using Flux's architecture, so we get amazing image quality and good prompt adherence, and it's updating extremely quickly. Of course, this is Flux, so you can make your prompts way more detailed and you can be very descriptive. So over here I said a cat wearing yellow sunglasses and a Hawaiian shirt. The cat's paws are holding a blue cocktail with a pineapple piece on the rim of the glass at the beach during sunset, and behind the cat is distant waves and clouds, and everything I described in this prompt is visible in this image. And the fact that this updates extremely quickly is actually mind-blowing to me. So just something to mention, you actually can't change the aspect ratio of this image. So every image you generate is going to be 1024 by 768, and if you want to save the image, just right click on here and then go to save image as. So recently he added a consistency mode. So with this turned off, if I type in a prompt like a cat wearing yellow sunglasses eating ice cream, and then maybe I add onto this prompt like eating ice cream on the beach, the composition is always going to be different, right? All of these images, there's nothing consistent between all of them except for the fact that the cat is wearing yellow sunglasses. But if I turn on consistency mode, all right, and let's let it generate another image. So I'll say on the beach at sunset. So with it turned on, all right, so with the consistency mode turned on, it's going to analyze this image. And now if I adjust the prompt right now, if I say at the beach at sunset, wearing a shirt, it's now going to analyze this image, but retain its composition and add other elements to it. So you can see this is the image that was generated when consistency mode was turned on, and when I adjusted the prompt, it still maintained the overall composition. So it's a nice way to make some minor adjustments to an image that you actually like that has been generated. So that's going to be the end of this tutorial, but I want to give credit to Hassan, who's the person responsible for creating this website. So thank you for allowing us to test out Flux Schnell and generate some images. And now I am just going to scroll down over here because I saw something mentioned in the comments. And it's over here. So it looks like you can generate 60 images a day. And he mentions if you go to the website called Together AI and you actually sign up, you can paste an API key over here, and that will allow you to generate 2,000 images. So that's actually very generous because, you know, considering that AI utilizes hardware, you can't expect these things to be free forever. So the fact that he actually is allowing us to test this, I think is very, very generous. Right, the only way you're going to do stuff free forever is if you're using your own hardware. So he does say that it's free forever for now, but Flux Schnell on Together is free for the next 3 months. So it looks like for the next 3 months, you can utilize the service and generate images in milliseconds using Flux Schnell. But I hope that's still useful. If you guys have never tested Flux, generate some images of cats or dogs or whatever you want and have fun. So as always, stay tuned for some more videos and tutorials. You guys are super awesome, and goodbye.